If you are someone who wanted to do MBA but don't know why, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, we are going to see why MBA or why one should go for MBA. I am an MBA graduate. I have done my MBA in the year 2011. When I thought of going for this master's degree program, I had a clear vision and solid reason to go for it. If you are someone who wanted to pursue MBA, then you need to ask the first question, that is why MBA. So in this video, we will see 6 top reasons of doing MBA. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, please hit on the subscription and bell icon. And if you have any queries relating to MBA, you can always comment them here in the comment section. I get the calls from my relatives, family members and students, and they ask, sir, can you please tell me why I should do MBA? Instead of me telling why you should do MBA, you need to ask that questions to yourself and try to find the answer for it. But if you don't have answer why you wanted to get into MBA, then this video is for you. Here are top 6 reasons why one should get into MBA. Number 1 is a business understanding. Since I am a science student, I have studied science in my whole life. I still remember the story which my professor used to tell in the class, how people have different perspectives towards looking the things. Like let's say for example, if a flower is given to an art guy, he will probably write a poem on it. If the same flower is offered to a science student, he will separate the sepals, petals, stem, anthers, pollen grains. He will do a dissection of it and will separate all the parts of the flower and will try to find the science behind it. But if the same flower is offered to a commerce or a management student, he will try to find how it can be traded, how the marketing can be done, and how it can be sold in the market with the maximum price. And that's how the perspective is developed. The first reason of doing the MBA is to get the business understanding. If you're someone who is having science background, maybe arts background, maybe humanity or education, MBA gives you the detailed understanding about the business, how one should look at the business activities, maybe from sales perspective, maybe from marketing perspective, maybe from HR perspective. If you're someone who is having non-business background and wanted to get into administration, this is one of the top reasons that you should get into MBA. If you wanted to understand business and business activities, then MBA program provides that opportunity to you. Point number 2 is the business exposure. MBA program provides the business exposure. MBA program includes summer internship. It also includes the exposure visits to different banks, to the industry, to the prominent institutes in India and abroad. So when you're working as an intern, visiting different places as a part of your curriculum through MBA, it gives you the business exposure. Point number 3 is to change the industry. I am the person who studied biology in my entire life. I did my BSc into biotechnology, and after that I went for MSc. But at that time, I realized that I am not meant for the laboratory work. By the end of my MSc program, I lost interest in all practicals and laboratory work, and I decided that this is not the industry which I thought of, and I don't want to continue for the rest of my life in the same industry. And then the question came, what next? And MBA helped me to change the industry. And from science, I came in management. So if you're someone who wanted to change the industry, maybe from science, arts, engineering, MBA is one of the programs which helps you to change your industry. If you're a student who is having science, maybe arts, maybe engineering or education as your background and wanted to change your industry, then MBA is the right option. Point number 4 is the communication skill and personality development. When you get into MBA, you will have to work on group assignments, group projects, and every week you'll have to give some kind of the presentation to your teachers and industry experts. When you are preparing your slides and presenting it to someone who is from the college and to your faculty and seniors, it helps you to develop your communication skill and ultimately leads into building a solid personality. You will also have to handle the events and programs which are happening on the campus that will lead into building excellent communication skills, stage daring, and excellent personality. Point number 5 is a better job and pay package. If you are someone who is graduate and have started but not able to find or not able to fit yourself into an industry where you're already working. After the graduation, people land in the industry and start working at an operational level. But if you enroll yourself and pursue your masters into MBA, it gives you a better job profile. Like immediately you will be promoted at a managerial level. Because industry has high respect and credibility for MBA program, they strongly believe that the one who is MBA graduate can effectively manage a team of the people. If you're someone who is working at the less pay package, if you complete your MBA, it helps you to boost your pay package. Most of the industries do value MBA graduates and tend to offer higher pay package to attract them. Next is networking and career growth. When you get into MBA, you get an opportunity to interact with your peers, with your seniors, with the alumni, with the college, staff, industry, and entire group of institutes. That ultimately helps you to build your network, and that network remain with you. If you're someone who wanted to get into MBA, the MBA program helps you to build the solid network with the alumni, with the industry, and with the recruiters. These are the top 6 reasons of doing MBA. I believe you must have enjoyed this video. If so, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.